if you ever hear the voices I'm going to show you, someone listen. Ah, this was a seagull voice. You know, I listen to these voices every day, every night, especially when you're sleeping. So I don't know which birds are these, but these are seagulls. And there are some seagulls. But I'm going to show you the seagulls offspring, right? So just notice that we're going to focus here. They're on a roof of a flat, and I'm going to focus there. And that's why I did hear for the years here these voices, somewhere near. So could be they stay at night here, then they make, their sounds at night, disturb your sleep. But there's nothing you can do, right? These are seagull voices. That we're going to focus on the seagulls' little, offsprings. They look like just newly born. If not newly born, uh, just their kids. Right. I'm going to focus my camera. Uh, they're here, I can see. Right, so we're going to focus again. Try to focus this way. Um, well, I can see them, but I need to focus my camera. Yeah, I think you can see now. Yeah, exactly. Um, try to focus other way. It's there. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4-story flat. Right. Then you're going to find them on the roof. They can't fly. They're near the heat, right? So could be the day that's there. Um, near the chimney of the heat. So they're lying here. They slept now. So that's why I'm trying to focus. My God. It's not easy to focus here. Uh, the maximum I can zoom, but they are sleeping here near the chimney. They were, oh my God, they were standing. I'm done. Maybe I can try different way. So they are on the top here. Yeah, here they are. Right, heavy. I think you can see now. Here, yeah. They are here, yeah. Yeah, these are little seagulls. They can't fly, so must be they have born here. So that's why I was listening so many voices. But they used to burn for so many years, I think, here. And this is their favorite place to lay eggs. Um, yeah. And the mom or dad, they're standing near, right? And the one day they will fly from here. So why they make nice just to protect them? Could be they think we are here if some cat or something like can't eat them. Could be this is the way of their protection because I wonder that there are some birds who are making nice at night, but for self-protection, right? This is my view, and I think it's right. So they have their babies here, and the whole night they're making nice. Just no one comes there. We are here. They're showing we will punch you if you come here. I think this is kind of psychology of the world to protect their offspring, right? So they're trying to walk, right? Uh, and one day I think they will fly from here. Yeah. Hmm. So there are two others who are sleeping on the sunlight. This one is trying to look at the world outside. Um, so where were they born? I have no idea, but I just found them there. Must have been born in some safe place there. There are some safe places if I turn my camera, if you look at these places, so there would be some place where they have born, right? But now they are out of nest, I think. Um, yeah, they are now out. Yeah, so something space like that they would have born, but they're out now. Yeah, so this is the, I think you can see now. Yeah, this is a seagull boy, baby. It looks like a little bit grown up now because yeah, it could be of I just guess 1 month age. Okay. There are two who are sleeping. This one is trying to look at the world, look at the sky. And one day this boy will fly. I can't make it further clear. That's the maximum I can do. Just with my mobile camera. So what we are seeing is seagulls offspring. They are children. Babies, they're babies. And if you see, the mom or dad is just lying here, trying to protect them. There is another one flying over. They'll bring some food and give them, serve them. Okay, we just finished now.